Ever grabbed a Steam gift card, got excited to redeem it, and boom, error message? Don't worry, in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix a Steam gift card that's not working in 2025, step by step, without the confusion. Let's get straight into it. First, start with the simplest fix. Restart your Steam client. It sounds basic, but a fresh restart clears temporary glitches that often block redemptions. Once Steam is back up, log out of your account and log right back in. This refreshes your session and can quietly fix account-specific bugs in the background. Now it's time to go where the magic happens. Open Steam, click your profile name in the top right corner, and go to Account Details. Once you're there, look for Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Click it, and you'll see the option to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. On the redemption page, carefully enter your code. Don't rush. Even one wrong character can stop the card from being recognized. Double-check every letter and number before submitting. If the code still won't go through, here's a big one. People overlook currency and region settings. Your gift card has to match the currency set on your Steam account. For example, a UK card won't work on a US account. Head into your account settings and make sure the region and currency align with the card you're using. Still no luck? Sometimes the issue isn't you at all. Brand new gift cards may take time to activate, especially if you bought them at a physical store. Give it a little time and try again later. But if the card is clearly active and still failing, it's time to contact Steam support. Here's the quick route. Open Steam, go to the Help tab, and select Steam Support. Choose Purchases, then I need help with a Steam gift card or wallet code. If the card is damaged or unreadable, select the option that mentions that and continue through the prompts. Steam will usually ask for the code details and a photo of the card with the code visible. Once you've attached that info, just hit send, and that's the full fix process. Clean, efficient, and effective. Whether it's a typo, a region mismatch, or activation delays, working through these steps will solve the issue in most cases. If this guide helped you get your Steam wallet back on track, stick around for more quick fixes and gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.